Welcome back to the Spiritual Insurance, where we explore the inner workings of the human psyche and the hidden forces that shape our lives. Today, we delve into a potent law from Robert Greene's renowned book, The 48 Laws of Power, Law 44, Disarm and Infuriate, with the mirror effect. This law delves into the profound effect of mirroring, a subconscious human tendency to mimic the behavior and emotions of others. By understanding this principle, we can harness its potential to disarm adversaries, manipulate situations, and ultimately, gain power. But mirroring is a double-edged sword. While it can be a powerful tool for social connection and understanding, it can also be used to exploit vulnerabilities and provoke anger. So, how do we wield the mirror effect ethically and effectively? Firstly, observe. Pay close attention to your opponent's body language, speech patterns, and emotional state. Mimic them subtly, allowing them to feel a sense of rapport and ease. This can lower their guard and make them more susceptible to your influence. Secondly, amplify. Take their negativity and reflect it back with a slight exaggeration. This can expose their true intentions and cause them to become self-conscious, disrupting their strategy and composure. Remember, the mirror effect is not about blindly copying everything. It's about using your observation skills to understand your opponent's inner world and then strategically reflecting it back to them. However, be cautious. Don't overuse mirroring, as it can become transparent and manipulative. Use it sparingly and with intention, always keeping your ultimate goals in mind. Moreover, the mirror effect extends beyond interpersonal interactions. We can use it to understand and influence group dynamics and even manipulate public opinion. By subtly mirroring the collective beliefs and desires of a group, we can gain their trust and lead them towards our own agendas. But let's not stray into the dark side of power. The mirror effect should not be used to exploit others or cause harm. Instead, use it to foster understanding, create positive change, and navigate the complexities of the human world with grace and wisdom. Remember, true power lies not in manipulation, but in self-awareness, empathy, and the ability to guide and inspire others. Let the mirror effect be a tool for good, not a weapon for personal gain. As always, the choice is yours. Will you use the mirror effect for its potential to connect and understand, or will you succumb to the allure of manipulation and exploit its power for personal gain? Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the 48th Law of Power. Remember, the true key to power lies within ourselves. By understanding the nuances of human behavior and using them ethically, we can create a more harmonious and fulfilling world for everyone.